So replacing a pool patio screen, the tools you're going to need is some flat screening spline. You'll need one of these things. You get at Walmart, a couple bucks. You got some pliers, tape measure, and these things. And also you'll need your screen. So what you'll do first is you're going to remove the old screen. What I did is I took a little pick kind of thing here, scrape that out. Then I'll take my pliers and just rip all that down. Measure your screen. That's what the tape measure's for. I did about 4 inches more than needed. Alright, next step, what you're going to do is measure the piece of spline you're going to need. This is 39 inches. And pre-cut them all. You're also going to need scissors, which I didn't mention. So you're just going to measure that. I'm going to measure to 39 inches. I'm going to cut 2 of them for both sides. Okay, so another thing you're going to need is tape. So as you can see, I taped my screen, my new screen up in place. I've got my spline ready, and basically you just take it and you're gonna push it in there. You're gonna slide it in, sideways, and then turn it and use the roller to roll it throughout. Okay, so we got it in. So when you're putting the spline in, start at the top, then do the sides and the sides. Our next step is we're gonna take scissors and just cut the excess off, and that's it. Done.